Hi everyone. These sums from the chapter Similar Triangles, exercise 8.4, first problem. Prove that the sum of the squares of the sides of a rhombus is equal to the sum of the squares of its diagonals. The question, see, this is a rhombus. Sum of the squares of the sides AB, BC, CD, DA. All these are sides of a rhombus. Properties of rhombus. All sides are equal and their diagonals are bisect each other. Where these two diagonals intersecting, then it divides two parts. These two parts are equal in length. The question is, side square plus side square plus side square plus side square, all these four sides, sum of their squares equal to diagonal square plus diagonal square, needed to show. This is the problem. Answer, ABCD is a rhombus. In a rhombus, all sides are equal. AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. The diagonals are perpendicularly bisect each other in rhombus. Where these two diagonals are intersecting, then these dividing parts are in same size. In AOB, at point O, angle is 90 degrees. Using Pythagoras theorem, AB hypotenuse square is equal to base side square perpendicular side square sum. Now AB square is equal to OA. Here OA and OC are same length because bisecting here. OA besides total diagonal AC by 2. OA means total length AC, in that half is OA or OC. OA equal to AC by 2. OB is equal to BD by 2. Okay, now besides of OA, AC by 2. Besides of OB, BD by 2. Whole square plus whole square. This square belongs to numerator and denominator. AC square by 4, BD square by 4. AB square is equal to, both are like fractions, their denominator is 4. Direct add the numerators, AC square plus BD square. This 4 side is equal to that side. 4AB square is equal to remaining AC square plus BD square. Now 4AB square means 4 times AB plus AB plus AB, like that. AB square, AB square, AB square, AB square, their sum is equal to AC square plus BD square. This is the rhombus, and in that rhombus all sides are equal. So AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. Besides of AB, BC one time, AB besides CD one time, AB besides DA one time is equal to AC square plus BD square. This is the question we proved. Now next one. Second problem. ABC is a right triangle. ABC, right triangle. Right angle at B. At B point, there is 90 degrees right angle. Let D and E be any 2 points. D, E, 2 points on AB, on BC respectively. Prove that AE square plus CD square AE square plus CD square equal to AC square plus DE square. Asked to prove this condition. In a triangle ABC, angle B 90 degrees. DE are 2 points on AB and BC respectively. All this data given in the problem. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square as using a Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of base side square and perpendicular square. In a triangle ABE, triangle ABE, this small triangle ABE, hypotenuse AE, AE square is equal to AB square plus BE square. In this way, triangle CBD, half triangle, this CBD is equal to hypotenuse CD square equal to BC square plus BD square. In triangle BDE, very small triangle, DE square is equal to BE square plus BD square. Suppose given in the problem, show that this one. So same copied there. AE square plus CD square. AE besides what we can write? AB square plus BE square. Besides of AE square, AB square plus BE square. CD square besides BC square plus BD square. Now next is equal to AC square plus DE square. AC, where AC? This one. AC square plus DE square. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. See, this AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, and DE square is equal to BE square plus BD square. Okay, next AB square plus this LHS is equal to RHS. Same came, so we proved here. Only using the Pythagoras theorem and the triangle, small triangle, big triangle, how many triangles made here, using that triangles and Pythagoras theorem, we solved this one. Now next third problem. Prove that 3 times the square of any side of an equilateral triangle is equal to 4 times the square of the altitude. Any side of equilateral triangle, 3 times square is equal to 4 times of the square of altitude. Asked to prove, given that ABC is an equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. AB equal to BC equal to CA. The length of side, assume A units. AD or DA perpendicular to BC. In equilateral triangle, the altitude perpendicularly bisect the opposite side. When you draw perpendicular altitude in equilateral triangle, that altitude divides the base side into 2 equal parts. Bisects means 2 equal parts. For example, here 4 centimeter, then here also 4 centimeter. So BD is equal to CD, or BD is equal to total side by 2. ABD is a right angle triangle. ABD or ADC, both are right angle triangles. AB square, hypotenuse square is equal to AD square, perpendicular side, BD square, base side. Same, BD besides BD is equal to half of the BC. Total BC half BC by 2. BC square by 2 2s are 4. Do the LCM. There is 1. 1 4 is 4. 4 1 is 4 AD square plus BC square. Set this 4 is equal to that side. 4 AB square is equal to 4 times AD square plus BC square. Again send this BC square is equal to this side. BC square and AB square both are same because this is equilateral triangle. All sides are in a same length. Besides of BC, we can write AB. Besides of BC, AB square. 4 times of AB square, 1 time AB square. Their difference is 3 times AB square is equal to 4 times AD square. AD is altitude. AB is the side of an equilateral triangle. So 3 times square of any side equal to 4 times of its square of altitude. We proved third one also. Now fourth problem. PQR is a right angle triangle. PQR. Right angle at P. Right angle at P 90 degrees. And M is a point on a QR such that PM perpendicular to QR. This M perpendicular point opposite to vertex P such that PM perpendicular to QR. Show that PM square is equal to QM into MR. This is a theorem. PQR is a right angle triangle. PQR is a right angle triangle. Right angle at P. PM perpendicular to QR. PM perpendicular to QR. In a triangle PQR, total triangle. And a triangle MRP. MRP. This above triangle. Angle RPQ, angle PMR. P and R. See, RPQ, this angle and PMR, this angle. Both are right angles, 90 degrees. Okay, here we observing two triangles. In the two triangles, one angle is 90 degrees, and then angle R in both triangles, angle R is common. So using angle similarity, we confirm that these two triangles are similar to each other. So in a similarity of triangles, corresponding sides are in the same ratio. PR by PQ is equal to MP by MR. In a triangle PQR, big triangle, and PQM, this time down a triangle, same, one angle 90 degrees equal, one angle common angle. These two triangles are similar to each other. First PQR big triangle and this above triangle similar to each other. Then next big triangle and this small triangle similar to each other. First one, this is assume that first, this is second. From 1 and 2, PR by PQ, PR by PQ. But here difference MP by MR, MQ by MP. I written PR by PQ, right hand side MP by MR, MQ by MP. Do the cross multiplication. MP is equal to MQ MR. MP square is equal to MQ into MR. MP PM both are same. So PM square is equal to MQ QM same into MR. This is asked to prove us. We proved. Thank you so much.